Hello, it's Thursday, November the 11th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar traded mixed versus the major currencies after positive macro data showed that the trade balance came out minus 44 billion, better than the expected minus 45 billion, and unemployment claims at 435,000, better than the expected 450,000. The federal budget balance came out at minus 140.4 billion, better than the expected minus 152 billion. The US stock markets closed positive, with the Dow adding 0.09% and the Nasdaq rising by 0.62%. Crude oil jumped by 1.3% to close near $88 a barrel. Gold erased yesterday's losses and went back to trading above the $1,400 an ounce. Today, US banks will be closed in observance of Veterans Day. The euro touched a fresh 5-week low level against the dollar after it broke 137, but quickly recovered to close almost unchanged at the end of the day. Trading above the 138 support area might push the pair back to 1.4 zones. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 136.70 and a high of 138.24. Today, the ECB monthly report is due for release. The pound showed stability and gained versus the dollar after the BOE inflation report indicated further recovery in the region. Trading above the 161 support area might push the pair back to 163 zones. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 159.59 and a high of 161.69. No economic data is expected today. The dollar gained versus the yen for a second day as higher US bond yields favored a sell-off. Holding above the 82 support level keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.53 and a high of 82.79. No economic data is expected today. Finally, Canada's dollar gained versus the US dollar on a rally in crude oil, the nation's biggest export. The trade balance came out minus 2.5 billion, worse than the expected minus 1.5 billion. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9991 and a high of 1.0090. Today, Canadian banks will be closed in observance of Remembrance Day. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.